Jimmy at O'Reilly's Mobile Mechanics here. I've got a Volkswagen Crafter here. Exactly the same as a Mercedes Sprinter. It's got an issue with the reverse lights flicking on when you're changing gear. This is quite a common fault with all of these Volkswagen Crafters, Mercedes, because almost everyone I've been behind, I've seen the same thing happen. Having a look in here, I'm just trying to have a look at what's going on, and you can see there, this is the reverse switch. Just here, that little peg. We'll just switch the ignition on there, and you can hear it when you put it in reverse. That's the reverse switch. So what's happening is, obviously that's going to first gear there. You can see as I'm going to push it into first, it's pushing on the switch. So there's a bit of play there. Now, I'm not too sure if getting a replacement one of these will actually fix this problem. There's only one way to find out, is to buy one, or I don't know whether to just, anyway, before I do that, try and see if I can do some sort of modification here by just filing down a little bit of the edge, and hopefully that'll still, if you don't do it too much, you'll still get the reverse to actually work where it should do, which is by pulling up this and coming all the way over. Let's have a look. There you have reverse. So we just needed to stop pushing, really, that little bit there. So in this particular van, this has done this for as long as I've owned it. It's always done this. It's always give that little beep as I'm putting it from second to first, because you can hear the reverse sensors coming on. But more so, the reason for me to try and resolve this problem is because of this new unit I've put in. It's got obviously a reverse camera on there, so if you're listening to music or whatever when you're driving, that little beep as you're coming from second to first, it disables your music and puts on the reverse camera. Only for that couple of seconds, but it can be quite annoying. I've just got a little file here, just filing a little bit of that edge off, just so it's not so close to the switch and catching on it. So I'm just going to continue to do this for a few minutes, however long it takes to file it down. It shouldn't take long, a couple of minutes. It's already coming off a fair bit. Okay, time to test it out. Coming in second, and we're moving up to first, second, first. No beep in there. We're not getting the reverse lights come on. So that's the little amount of play there that was in it. Let's get a closer look. So I can wiggle it now, but it just about touches the sensor. It's not pushing it. You can see there, just about touches it. So I could even take a little bit more off, but it seems to work okay. And we can pull the centerpiece up here just to get the reverse to engage. Sorry, a little bit stiff. And you can see there the reverse comes on. Pull that up to get it into reverse there. We can pull that up, pull it over, and we're still engaged in the reverse. So I just clipped all this gator back in. Now, moment of truth there, into reverse, beep beep beep, yep, from second to first, second, slowly to first, second. Perfect. Should have done this years ago.